I really don't know. I'll let you know how it goes, but just text me when you finish.
Okay.
Because if that's the case.
We're making pumpkin protein chocolate chip muffins.
Muffins, yeah.
This sounds so good. So, okay. You'll have to watch the full recipe video on my channel. So
This is what happens behind the scenes. Sorry.
Okay, let's get started.
It's already starting well.
You said
So, this is a little behind the scenes, you know? She's gonna have the official video, and I'm just gonna document us having a good time over here, you know? So, we've set up our stuff, and we're gonna get serious and make a video of this baking. So, you're gonna watch us from behind the scenes.
behind the scenes.
Yeah. Get us a little focused. Get us a little focused.
Yeah, this helps us talk in our videos.
Oh, relax everything.
It calms the nerves.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to wait for yours.
Yeah, you better wait for mine. What are you doing about taste it? Smack you up here.
Cheers.
Yeah. Because I can't do it. All right. All right.
Chaotic.
So far it's good. We didn't spill anything as of yet. Well,
Yeah.
I don't think we'll have an opportunity to spill anything now. Probably a crumb will come down from a bite. We'll see. But
Now it's cleanup time.
yeah. Oh, okay. I'm back. Wait for us to be on the screen. Okay.
Oh, it's melted a little bit.
You gotta talk about everything. The texture, the looks.
It melted a little bit.
Okay. The
chocolate
chocolate chips.
Yeah, yeah.
How's it smell? You have to be sincere. Well,
The perfect recipe for the fall season coming up.
Yes.
And what else?
and if you're trying to stay, my thought process.
Good carbs, good protein.
Thank you for having me.
Yes. That's a lot. Oh yeah,
I am excited about this video because we not only had us in it, but we managed to get Ariel to commentate. So
and he said it was good.
good.
Not great.
No,
But good is pretty
there's
good
always
from
room
him.
for improvement. Yes, there's always room for improvement no matter what. But a good is good. A good is good. But yeah, I would definitely, I'd make that again.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. So you're gonna have to check
out.
out the full video on Jennifer's channel. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye.
More muffins.
More muffins.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. We did it.